Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will guide you how to disable fastboot in Windows 10 11s. So let's start. Follow all the steps. Choose what to do. Power option. Click on change settings that are unavailable. You can disable it from here. If you are facing slow and lagging issue on your Windows 10 operating systems, I will show you 3 quick methods you can apply to fix this issue. Step 1. Search background apps and click on this option. So these are the background applications that are currently running, so turn off all the application. Move on to step 2. Right-click on your taskbar and click on Task Manager, then click on this tab Startup. Disable all the startup application one by one. Simply right-click on it, then click Disable. Now move on to our final step. You can try if your PC working very slow. You can apply this method. On this advanced tab in the performance column, click on the settings option. Now here you have 4 options. Select the third Only Adjust for the best performance. After that, restart your computer. You can see a big change. This is all for the video. Thank you.